Hi, I'm Keith Bobrovsky, President of Delta Scientific Corporation. I've been with the company and in the vehicle barrier industry since 2007, and we've seen quite a few infrastructure obstacles in our way that Delta Scientific has been proud to have gotten around. Welcome to today's pre-construction design video, where Delta Scientific furthers our educational series to you architects and engineers that are designing your vehicle barrier project for your client or your facility. Delta Scientific is proud to have a plethora of engineers with dozens of years of experience in many different trades that can work around any infrastructure obstacle that you might have at your facility. Delta Scientific makes dozens of different vehicle barriers that are deep, shallow foundation, bolt down, portable models that can all work around any infrastructure obstacles you have. But when you do encounter an unforeseen obstacle, a lot of times you might specify a shallow foundation vehicle barrier, such as Delta Scientific's HD300 model. And when you open up the ground, you might see a utility, a gas line, a comm cable, a water pipe that was not on any plans and no one knew about. Delta Scientific is here to provide solutions. Contact Delta Scientific's project managers and they'll work with our engineering team to design a solution for your vehicle barricade project. Many times we've worked to create civil drawings that raise that barrier up and create a speed table to keep the obstacle out of the way. We've also designed the concrete foundation to take into account that obstacle, and we've redone our finite element analysis to make sure that you have the crash rating that you and your client need to secure that facility properly. Point is, Delta Scientific's in-house engineering team and over 51 years of business service is here to help you provide solutions. So be confident in specifying Delta Scientific equipment. Contact Delta Scientific's project management staff today. Sign up for a lunch and learn, and our project management and sales staff would be happy to specify the best barrier system for your facility and see you through cradle to grave installation success for your client. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Drop a comment below with a question for our master tech or engineer, and maybe we'll feature it in an upcoming video. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.